In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Flodesk with an easy step-by-step tutorial. If you're looking to capture leads or showcase something special, a landing page can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head on over to Flodesk's website, which is simply www.flodesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you're all ready to go, let's move on to the next step. Once you're logged in, navigate towards the top of the page and click on Forms. Here you'll see an option that says Plus New Form. Go ahead and click that. You'll now see a few different options for the type of form you'd like to create. For a landing page, you want to select Full Page. This option allows the form to act as your landing page, giving you a clean and focused look. Now that you've selected your form type, it's time to get creative. Flodesk offers a variety of beautiful templates, so take some time to browse through the options. Choose a design that resonates with your brand's aesthetics or the message you want to communicate. This step is where your vision starts to take shape, so don't rush it. Find something that feels right for your brand. After selecting a template, you'll have the opportunity to make it your own. Customizing your landing page is where you can really align it with your brand. Click into the template and start editing. You can change the text to better convey your message, adjust the colors to match your brand's color palette, and swap out images to make it visually appealing. Adding form fields is crucial, especially if you're looking to capture important information like a visitor's name and email address. Don't forget to include those fields so you can gather the data you need. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your landing page, it's time for the final step, publishing and sharing it with the world. Look for the Publish button, which will make your landing page live. Flodesk provides options to share your new page, whether it's through a dedicated link or embedding it on your website. This is a great opportunity to spread the word about whatever it is you're promoting, be it an event, a product launch, or a new newsletter. And there you have it, you've successfully created a landing page on Flodesk. From setting up your account to designing and customizing your template, you've accomplished a key task in building your digital presence. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance. Happy designing.